Here we have a gate lock. Let's open up the package and look at all the components. Here is the lock. Here is the latch cover. Here is the spring-loaded latch with the attached stainless steel cable, the latch arm, and all the screws provided. You'll notice that all the screws are the same except for one long screw that goes on top of the latch cover. The long screw goes in the top and the two short screws go at the bottom. Now let's take a look at the lock. You'll see that it comes with detailed instructions. Let's take a look inside the box. You'll find a card for you to write down your personal code. Write it down here and keep it in a safe spot. Now let's take a look at the components inside the box. You'll see the two screws here where you secure the wire and the hole back there that the wire goes through. Now, looking at the back of the lock, you'll see this rubber padding. This should not be removed. This should be installed with the lock. This provides waterproof aspects to your lock. Along with the front cover, your lock will be waterproof.